Take me to Audio Motorsports in Carson. Where did the Dow Jones close today?
The Dow Jones is down 1.29% to 33,002.
Up and down. You know, and you could do skip track, all that. Do reverse. Info. Right now, try open one of your doors. Open your driver door. You know, if the back is open, it's gonna show you the back is open.
Oh, okay.
You go ahead, close the door. It's telling you like all type of information on latitude and stuff. Then you have gauges, and you could customize it. You could move things around. Then you got performance. Press on the gas. Show the
It's
gauges.
the same like this right there.
Yeah. Then you got the off-road. This over here, it would tell you like how the car is tilted and all that. You know, I'm not an off-road guy, but maybe you want to learn about that. That's pretty cool. And if you move the tires, I think it'll know. Then you got the drive terrain, move the tires. So it shows you the tires, tire angle over here. Now, if we go camera, like this. So now you have the camera and with all the information to help you with the off-road. So we click on here back, and then we go off-road. I could take it off, and then we go back over here. And then pretty much that's the info. All right. So the camera you could turn it on separately if you want. Fire TV will turn on. And then you and review that.
Yeah, so this is our MRCH R kit. So this is an actual 1080p mirror that we're.
Did you?
That's the other guy. He's actually
Sirius XM. We have HDMI port, so you can actually mirror your phone. And then, so the coolest features is you can go to vehicle info now, and then you can see all your gauge clusters. Here's your pitch and roll. Here's your vehicle info. It'll tell you.
That's called pitch and roll.
Open, doors closed. Your gauges. Here's your tire pressure. Here's my gauges. I can change it and set it however I want, and put whatever I want customized on there. Here's my.
yeah, it's gonna be fun. But look, with a Fire Stick, you go play soccer highlights on YouTube.
Getting that from YouTube.
Yeah. So that's the good thing about the Fire Stick.
That's TV.